Chapter 3 Atmashraddhayaः Prabhavah Effect of Self-Confidence. Hello students, good morning.
Hello teacher, good morning.
Students, have you heard the news? Few days ago, there was an article published in a newspaper about a girl student writing her answers in class 10 exams with her legs because she didn't have her hands, and she even passed her exams as well. She wanted to do something despite not having her hands. She had that kind of self-confidence. So, she started trying to write with her own feet. She kept writing with her feet. After few days, she was writing effortlessly with her feet. The student had confidence that she would clear her class 10 exams by appearing and writing with her feet. She was confident, so she courageously succeeded in her efforts. Thus, the student had self-confidence in herself. So, she went on to become her own guide, and despite being crippled both hands, she passed the class 10 examination with the help of her feet. Students, self-confidence is very important in our life. Self-confidence means we are our own guide. Students, we can acquire skills in whatever we do by constantly studying it. So student, today I would tell you a beautiful story of self-confident Eklavya in Sanskrit language. Please listen carefully. The name of this story is Atmashraddhayaः Prabhavah. Ekah balakah asit. Once there was a boy. Tasya naam Eklavyah asit. His name was Eklavya. Sah dhanurvidyam pathitum ichhati sma. He wished to learn archery. Ekada sah Dronacharyasya samipam agachat avdata cha. Once he went to Dronacharya and said, Gurudev, aham api dhanurdharah bhavitum ichhami. Krupaya mam svikuru. Hey Gurudev, I would like to become a skilled archer. Kindly accept me. Acharya pratyabadat aham kauravan Pandavan cha pathayami. The teacher replied, I teach to Kauravas and Pandavas. Aham bhavatah shishya rupen swikaram kartum na shaknomi. I cannot accept you as my student. Parantu acharyam prati tasya shraddha sithila na abhavat. But his faith towards his guru did not fail. Saha acharyasya dronasya ekam murtim arachayat. He made a statue of Acharya Drona. Sah pratidinam murtim anamat. Pratah kalat sayankal paryantam dhanurvidyayaha abhyasam akarot. He used to bow down to the statue every day. He would practice archery from morning to evening. Shanaihe sah kushalah dhanurdharah abhavat. Slowly, he became a skilled archer. Ekada tasmin vane Guru Dronah Pandavehe Kauravehe cha sah agachat. Once Guru Drona went to the forest with the Pandavas and Kauravas. Ekah kukurah tan drashtava abhashat. A dog started barking on seeing them. That means all of them. Arjunah dhanushyam utthapayati sma. Arjun picked up the bow. Tadev Eklavyaha banoho. Tasya kukurasya mukham asevyat. At that instant, Eklavya stitched up the dog's mouth with arrows. Dronacharyah etat drashtava tatra agachat. Tam cha apruchat. Kah tav acharyah. Seeing this, Dronacharya came there and asked him, Who is your teacher? Tada sah Dronacharyam tam murtim adarshayat. Then he showed the statue to Dronacharya. Eklavyah Guru Shraddhayaha Swasraddhayaha cha pratikah asti. Eklavya is an example of faith in the teacher and self-confidence. एकलव्यः अस्मान् शिक्षयति स्वयं ज्योतिः स्वयं प्रज्ञा भवतु. Eklavya teaches us become your own light and discerning intelligence. यदि अस्मासु आत्मश्रद्धा अस्ति तर्हि कापि सिद्धि दुर्लभा नास्ति. No achievement will be too difficult to attain for us if we have self-confidence. अनन्तरम् आत्मश्रद्धायाः बलेन सह श्रेष्ठः धनुर्धरः अभवत्. Then he became the best archer on the strength of self-confidence. Did you see? Despite Dronacharya's refusal to teach him archery, he kept self-confidence, becoming a good archer by learning his archery and becoming his own guide by keeping faith in Guru Drona and making his idol. He stitches barking dog's mouth without injuring him. Thus, Eklavya's faith in Guru Drona and his self-confidence makes him a great archer. Students, did you have fun listening to Eklavya's self-confidence story?
Yes, teacher.
Great! Students, work with keeping confidence in yourself and move forward.